Guys, welcome back to As the Institute. Today topics. It's a very wonderful topic. My dear guys, I would like to talk about something new. I want to say you, my dear guys, you want to learn English language, my dear friend, you want to improve yourself, you want to enhance your English speaking. But why do you not do practice? My dear guys, it's a very great rule to speak English. You need to do practice. My dear guys, if you don't do practice English speaking, so maybe you can't learn English language. My dear guys, I saw many students, there are many students asking me one question, sir, how can I speak English? How can I speak effective English language? Sir, how can I do develop my English language? Sir, how can I enhance my English language? Firstly, if you want to improve your English language, so please watch this video till end. My dear, firstly, you want to learn English language, so please do practice yourself. Please do conversation with your friends. If you conversation with your family, with yourself, talking to yourself, so you can learn English language. My dear, maybe my days you are really passionate to learn English language, but you do not practice. If you do not practice, so maybe you can't learn English language. I saw there are many students, they are really passionate to inner side English speaking. They are passionate to start to confident in speaking English, but sometimes hesitate, sometimes they feel nervous. Why? Because they do not practice, they do not speak English, they do not talk with your friend, they are afraid to English language. Why do you afraid? My dear guys, English is not mother tongue language, English is a second language. Just you are trying to speak English, try to speak English, don't afraid to speak English. It's a one formula, my dear guys. You want to improve English language, so firstly, talking to yourself, talking to your friend, don't do mistake. If you fear, if I speak English, so I can do mistake, whether not at all. Okay, don't not at all this thing. Okay, if you think as a, so I can speak English, so I can do mistake. If you are afraid to speak English, so maybe you can't speak English, never ever speak English. Firstly, you want to change yourself, so please talk to yourself, not see another person, any person laughing on your face, any person laughing at your face, don't problem. You are trying to speak English, just do communicate English language. My dear guys, if you do communicate English language, another people, other person, so you can improve yourself, neither not improve other people. Firstly, because you are improving your vocabulary. If you speak more to more, so you can improve a lot of. There are many students, I told them do practice at home, but they do not practice at your home. If you do practice at your home, so you can learn English language. My dear guys, I have to say many things. My dear student, please watch the English video, but they do not watch English video because they are not interested to learn English language as you. If you are interested to learn English language, so please watch English video. Please listening the English boy. Firstly, you since childhood you listen first time in Hindi. When was you once in since old, so firstly listen your word in Hindi. It's because you did not listen any time in English. Firstly, you in this time you are listening English language, so you are confusing. Okay, English can be spoken. Yes, English can be spoken. If you try to speak English, so my days you can improve yourself. Firstly, you saw anything front of as a chair. You can talk about that topic as a such chair is necessary as I know. As far as chair is necessary, without chair we can't sit on this chair. Firstly, chair is very powerful because if we sit chair, so we can become a king. So that's why talking to yourself, practice yourself. But sometimes you do not practice. Why do not practice? If you do practice, so you can improve yourself, my friends, because it's a very great rule to speak English. More to more practice. If you do more to more practice, so you can learn English language. I hope you are understanding my voice, you are understanding this video purpose. So please do practice yourself. One day you can become a great English speaker. I hope you will understand this video. Jai Hind दोस्तों.